Hi guys, welcome. My name is Sahil and I'm a regulated Canadian immigration consultant. And in the next 1 minute, I'm going to tell you the important details which you must be aware of if you're entering as a refugee from the US-Canada border. So guys, if you're coming to Canada from the US border and if you are planning to make a refugee claim on the US-Canada border, then you are subject to the Safe Third Country Agreement. The agreement clearly states that any person who lands in the US first before coming to Canada is not allowed to make a refugee claim directly. He or she should be first making the claim in the US, and then based upon that decision you can further make your claim here in Canada. But this claim only applies if you're coming through the land border or through a train. If you're coming through the airport, then there are certain restrictions under which you can apply or you could be exempt. So please make sure that you're aware of those decisions. Also, if you are coming from the land border or the train, then there are certain exemptions under which you can actually make a claim even though you were in the US prior to this. It's the first exemption is you should have a family member here in Canada, or you could be an unaccompanied minor who could be traveling alone, or you're a document holder for Canada where you have a Canadian work permit or a study permit or a visitor visa, or you are carrying a public interest exception with your particular case of refugee seeking an asylum in Canada. So guys, regarding this particular case, on July 22nd, the federal court in Canada issued a judgment saying that this agreement is unconstitutional and violates the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedom. So although the court stayed its decision, but there was a recommendation issued to IRCC to review this particular agreement. So we're still awaiting final details and final answer on how this agreement is going to shape up in the future. But for now, this still holds good. So if you are coming from the US-Canada border into Canada and trying to make a refugee claim, please be sure that you can actually make, and please be sure that you are actually eligible to make a claim. All the best.